Hello students, I Jyoti Bhatia from Bansal Public School is in front of you with some more science experiments. Hope you all are keeping well and safe at home. Let's begin. In our first experiment, we are going to observe the effect of magnets in sand and in water. So let's begin, kids. Material required are 2 empty glasses, sand, water, magnet and 2 Indian coins. You know, Indian coins are made up of ferritic stainless steel, which includes 17% of chromium and 83% of iron. That is the reason they get easily attracted towards the magnet. You can see they stuck on the magnet. Now what we will do? We will put 1 coin inside the glass, and now I'll pour this sand on it. I'll take magnets and I'll rub on the outer wall of this glass. You can see I'm rubbing on the outer walls of the glass, but there is no effect on the sand particles as well as on the coin. Means the effect of magnetism is not working in the sand. Now we take another glass. In this glass again I'll place a coin inside it and I'll pour water on it. I hope it's visible. Now let's check it out. Oh, you can watch it, children. You can see the coin is moving along with the magnets. Wow, it's amazing. Means effect of magnetism is working under water. So children, what we proved in this experiment? We proved that effect of magnetism is working inside water, whereas effect of magnetism is not working inside the sand. In our second experiment, we are going to prove that objects with lesser density floats in water, whereas objects with higher density sinks in water. For that, material required are 2 empty glasses, 2 lemon, some salt, normal tap water and a spoon. First we will take a glass and fill it with water. Now I'll take 1 lemon and put it inside water. Let's see what happens. We see that lemon sinks inside water. Now we take another glass. Again fill it with water. I'll put some salt inside it. Stir it well with the help of spoon. Stir it completely till salt fully dissolves in water. We can see salt has fully dissolved in water now. Now again I'll take lemon and put it inside the water. Here we can see that in this glass, lemon does not sink inside but it floats on water. We can compare both the glasses. Why it is so? It is because in this glass, lemon's density is more compared to the normal tap water, whereas in the second glass when we add salt in it, salt particles has occupied the empty spaces which were present inside the water molecules and make it more denser than the normal tap water. That is the reason in this case lemon's density is less compared to the salty water, and that is the reason lemon floats here, whereas in this lemon sinks. Now let's move to the third experiment. In this experiment we are going to make something for you. Do you know what's that? It's a rocket balloon. To make that, we require a balloon, kite string, a part of straw. I have cut straws only a part and an adhesive tape. So first of all, what we will do, we will take a string and tie it to one end. Here you can see I have tied the string to one end and I am taking this string straight and I'll tie it over here. But before tying, I'll just put this straw inside the string. Let the string pass through this straw and tie this thread tightly from the other end. You can see I have taken sellotape in 2 pieces and I'll place it on the straw. Now I'll take a balloon and blow it. You can see balloon. After blowing the balloon, pinch it with your index finger and thumb, and here we'll place this sellotape and fix this balloon with straw. So children, our rocket balloon is ready to launch. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh great, it's working. So students, you saw our rocket balloon worked on the principle of Newton's third law. For every action there is equal and opposite reaction. So here we end up our today's session of science experiment, and we have learned today about high and low density of different matters, and we have seen the effect of magnetism on sand as well as on water, as well as we have prepared a rocket balloon. Hope you enjoyed all the 3 experiments and surely try at home. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.